Y'all, this is like Christmas in July. Woo! Check this out. We love a good garage banner. I'm excited to get this up. Stay tuned for the unboxing. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel for my first ever unboxing with Stifflers Chassis and Suspension. I am excited to upgrade the chassis components on my car, and we all know how important that is for a Fox body. So I'm gonna jump right in. Y'all saw me unbox the banner back there first, but stuff is stuck. We got some merch. Let's see what we got. We got this Stifflers banner. Don't mind the dirt, I just think that's from the box, but it's a white banner. It says Stifflers Chassis and Suspension. That's awesome. And the good stuff, t-shirts. So let's open this one first. I kind of cheated and opened this box so I can have like a shirt to wear for this, so side note, sidebar. We have the awesome S logo and then Stifflers Chassis and Suspension on the back. Very cool. And then another, ooh, a tank top. Good stuff, check that out. Stifflers, with the S logo on it. It's actually really cute. Perfect for the summer, perfect for car shows because it's super freaking hot. We have this other one. Right here, this awesome shirt, and then it has competition proven on the back. So we love that. And I think they're actually like revamped some of their designs, so I think these you might be getting a sneak peek into some of the new designs. And then here is another Stifflers shirt with Hang 'em and Bang 'em on the back. And these cars are actually pretty impressive. If you've seen them at any NMRA events, they do really well. So, yay, more car shirts. You can never have too many car shirts. My car shirt drawer is actually super full. Just gotta be a better way to open this. We also have some stickers here. It says Stifflers equipped. So definitely be putting one of these on the box. And then, I'm not gonna unbox this, but there's some keychains that say competition proven. So, cool stuff. I love the swag. All right, so now we're moving on to the chassis parts. Exciting stuff. Whoa. Exciting stuff. Okay. Whew. So first we are going to open this box. And here we have a Driveshaft safety loop. I love this because it's lightweight, it's durable, it exceeds NHRA regulations, and it works with many different transmission combinations. So I have a TKO 600 in my car right now, and I already have a Driveshaft safety loop, but I need a Stifflers Driveshaft safety loop, and so do you. So awesome, I can't wait to get that on the car. All right, so I have pre-cut some of these so it'll be a little bit faster when I unbox them. This is going to be the, some more hardware in here. So these are the steel braided brake lines, and I don't know if you can see it. Maybe I'll come closer to the camera. They are blue. They have many different colors. I think they have like red, gray, black, green. But I chose blue. And basically, this is just gonna eliminate spongy and inconsistent braking, which my car kind of has a little bit right now, especially at like higher speeds. So I'm definitely excited to use this, and hopefully it will, well, I know it will improve my braking. I have full confidence in Stifflers that it will improve my braking. All right, so we're gonna move on to our next box here. And while I'm opening this, I just want to say how excited I am to be working with Stifflers. I actually met them at PRI last year, John Brooks. Shout out to him. He introduced me to their whole team and they were super nice. I was impressed with their products. Anybody with a Fox body knows like how important suspension and chassis, I guess, upgrades are to these cars. I know a lot of the chassis are twisted. You know, you want to always like eliminate flexing and things like that. So Stifflers is the way to go. All right. Let's get this open. Ooh. Okay. So we have the web brace here, which is actually part of the fit system. And I'll just set that right there. Let's see what else we got. So I think this comes with a driver web, driver front web, driver rear, passenger front, and passenger rear. So just set these there. It's just webs on webs on webs. I'm making a mess, and all of these things are falling off. That one. Here we go. And some of the components have fallen off. But basically it's part of the fit system. It's engineered to, I guess, look like a web for additional strength and stiffness. There's no loss in ground clearance, which is awesome because my car is pretty low. And you will need full length subframe connectors and stiffening rails before you install this. So definitely excited for that. I don't know how I'm gonna get all these back in the box. Be right back. All right, so we're back. I'm opening this box and I'm actually on the struggle bus a little bit. I'm breaking a sweat here because they package this so well, and it looks like it's a box within a box. So I'm gonna BRB again. All right, so we're back for good now. Whoever packaged this, shout out, first of all, shout out to Stifflers shipping and handling department because this is a workout. But anyway, I have here the stiffening rails, which are going to be welded to my pinch welds, and then the web braces will be welded to this, further contributing to the chassis stiffening. So this is awesome, and I can't wait to put this on. I'm actually going to be working on it this week, so hopefully I have the brake kit and the fit system and all that stuff together by next week so I can get you guys a before and after video. All right, so next, save the best for last. They call this the fit system, I call it Big Daddy. Because creme de la creme. I mean, can't get no better than that, right? So, we will unbox this. Hopefully it's not as difficult as the stiffening rails there, but we'll see. gonna lay this out so I can show you guys, I guess, kind of how it will look. This is the last time. I will be right back, I promise. Alright, so here we have a basic mock-up of the fit system and what it's going to look like on one side. The fit system works with mini full-length subframe connectors. I have short style subframes, so I'll be cutting those out to install these beautiful pieces. The system essentially reduces flexing and twisting of the body experienced during hard acceleration, cornering, braking, and things like that. It's essentially designed to be lightweight and easy to install, especially with the pre-masked welding areas. Also, shout out to Jeff. For those that are new, he did my turbo kit, and he'll be welding these on this weekend. I'm excited to get these on the car. Once again, shout out to Stifflers. And as always, guys, stay tuned for the next video. Bye.